Okay, so let's check the answer. Number one, we should be mindful that there is. What should it be? Hello?
Plenty of.
Plenty of.
Okay, why do you choose plenty of? And why do you choose many? Because I saw two sides.
Many is countable.
Yes,
It is
countable. Yes,
countable.
misinformation is uncountable. Very good. That's why we choose plenty of. There is plenty of misinformation online. Good. Okay, number two. The game is.
Harder
Harder than.
It's
Okay.
hard.
harder than
Okay. Why did you choose harder? The answer is correct. Harder. Number three.
Because
Harder.
of then.
Then,
yeah.
yes, this is the comparison pattern. Good. Three.
Despite the glowing reviews.
by the growing reviews.
Despite.
Yes, despite. Okay. Why didn't you choose although?
Because like there's no verb in there.
Yes, correct. There is no verb in that depending clause, right? In that depending sentence. Okay. So although is with the sentence, but despite is with the noun phrase, noun or noun phrase. Here, the glowing reviews this hotel has for its rooms. This is the noun phrase, right? That's why we choose despite. Very good. And number four. Nandia wrote the story we told her that she should write about. So,
And she.
Didn't she?
didn't she?
Didn't
Yes,
she?
this is the tech question. Didn't she? The positive one and then
No,
the
negative one.
part. Okay. Number five. We always mistake.
Bobby,
Bobby.
S.
Bobby.
S.
Oh, butter.
The correct answer is for. Mistake
What?
somebody for somebody else. So the correct answer is for. Okay.
Oh.
We always mistake Bobby for Bertrand as they both look similar. We can't tell them apart, right? Mistake somebody for somebody else. So the correct answer is for. Number six.
Texas.
Lisa saw Jake.
So taste some gummies.
Yes, what is it?
No, took some gummies.
Is it took? Do you agree
Take,
with
I
her?
think.
Take? Okay.
Had taken.
Okay.
Has taken.
Taken.
Has
Okay.
taken.
Oh, has taken. Oh, okay. So,
Okay, has taken.
anyone choose number five? Because you have chosen 1, 2, 3, 4. So anyone choose number five? Do you know that see, hear, smell, taste? What type of verb are they?
Sen. Is it sensory?
Yes, yes,
No.
sense, right?
Oh.
Sense. So for the sense, for the sensory verb, for the sense, what do we have to choose? Hmm?
Present tense.
Present. In. I think you have already learned that in your previous levels. Please recall your memory.
Present simple and continuous.
Present simple and continuous. Yes, this is what we call. This is the why we use sensory verb, right? If we can see the whole situation, we can use participle. I mean present participle form, or maybe if we just saw something happen, we just use. We can say complete action or long action, right? So this is. Here, we do not have to think about ing pattern. We only have to choose number one. Melissa saw Jake take some gummies from the container earlier that day. Do we need to put S or ES?
No.
No.
Do we need to say takes or took?
No.
No, because this is the sensory verb. Okay, so we always have to use the infinitive form without ses, without changing the other tenses. Okay, let's move on to number 7. So the correct answer for number 6 is 1. Melissa saw Jake take some gummies from the container earlier that day. I think you will remember that example in your grammar book. I saw the boy kick the ball. I saw the boy kick, K-I-C-K, kick the ball. And another sentence is, I saw children playing football. You see the long action. I saw children playing football. Okay? And number 7, no sooner
No sooner had I sat down, one whistle
When
walked in.
whistle.
One.
Yes, so this is then, no sooner than. Which then did you choose, number 2 or number 3?
Number 2.
Number two.
Yes. Okay. Number 2, no sooner than, THEN, then. Okay. How about number 8?
My father yelled as
He had damaged.
Steve, because
Because he had an issue.
Had damage.
he had damaged the car previous day.
previous day.
Okay. You what type of tense it is?
The past participle.
past participle.
Not past participle. Tense. What's the name
Oh.
of the tense?
Past perfect. Oh my god.
Yes, past perfect. There were 2 actions in the past, action 1 and action 2. Which action was the first one? His father yelled at Steve.
Oh, the
or
car was
Steve-
damaged.
Yeah, Steve damaged the car. Which one is the first action?
The first, Steve damaged the car.
Yes, this is the first action. And then his father yelled
His
at
father was
him.
angry.
Yes, okay. So for the first action, we always use past perfect, and for the second action, we use simple past tense. So we chose the answer number 3. And
Yes,
how
true.
about number 9? Ahmed, together
Uh,
with his friends.
Going for the soccer match this evening.
I'm
No,
afraid this is not the
not
correct
sorry,
answer.
sir. This evening, so
How about others?
Yes.
wait, let me think of it.
Mm.
I think where maybe, if not
Mm.
because this evening might also show a past.
This
Action or
evening.
something.
So is it talking about past or present or future?
Okay, this symbol then is getting complicated.
Yes. Hello, everyone.
It depends, John.
So what's the correct answer? What's the subject? You have to choose the verb, right? So look at the subject and also the tense. This evening, is it about present or past? Or future?
Future.
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 Okay, correct.
Future.
Future. Good. And how about the subject
Uh,
in this
Uh-huh.
sentence? How about the subject? What's the subject in this sentence?
Ahmed and his friends.
Ahmed.
Ahmed and
Ahmed.
his friends. Ahmed.
Actually, we don't need to think about his friends.
Ahmed only.
Ahmed only, yes. So, the answer is,
If.
of course,
Is.
is. Ahmed is going for the soccer match this evening with his friends. How about number
Oh,
10?
so sure. Like I
Yeah.
thought it was plural because of the friends, but you meant was like only it. The sentence only means to Ahmed, not his friends.
Yes,
So
that's why
the
they
answer
even put
is
the comma.
Oh.
Ahmed is going for the soccer match this evening together with his friends, right? We can move together with his friends
Yes, true.
to the end of the sentence. This is not the plural subject. The subject is singular, Ahmed only. Okay? And how about
Oh.
number 10?
Okay, true. Like had Jenny cut the
the
apples earlier, we will not have. No,
We
no,
would
no.
not have.
we would not
Would not
have
have lost so much time to prepare
time
the
preparing
dessert.
the dessert, Peter.
Okay, very good. The answer is would not have. Number 4.
Would not have.
Would not
Yes.
have. What is that pattern? What is it?
Conditional.
Yes,
Conditional.
very good. Dada, conditional. Yes. What type of conditional? 0 or first or second or third?
The third, right?
Yes, third conditional. So we would not have lost so much time in preparing the dessert, right? If he had cut the apples earlier, but they put had in front of the sentence to make it inversion. The correct answer is number 4. This is the third form of conditional. Okay, the third conditional pattern.